Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve talkback problem in Technophone device. Friends, we want to solve guys your phone talkback problem. So how can you solve it? Today friends I will show you in this video guys. Friends, you can see guys now you are not operating your phone. So how can we solve guys this talkback problem guys? So when you will have to use guys your two finger to solve this problem. So don't worry guys, today I will show you, I will tell you guys you can solve this problem easily. Friends, open your phone setting guys, one tap and guys double tap to on your phone setting. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. So then how can we solve this problem? Friends, scroll with your two fingers. Friends, click on guys your phone special function guys, tap here and guys double tap. Friends, click on last one, accessibility, again double tap, scroll with your two fingers. So friends, you can see talkback guys, one tap, double tap. Guys, use talkback setting guys, one tap and double tap. Stop talkback guys and double tap to solve. So friends, your talkback problem has solved. And guys, you can read get the notice about talkback guys, about talkback, how to use, how to on and how to stop, and how can we solve, and how can we turn off talkback setting. You can use from here guys. So like that guys, we can solve guys talkback problem in Technophone device. So bye bye friends.